Terry and Lidia here in downtown Lima, Peru. We came here on the Holland America Oosterdam. We're on a 17-night cruise. This is the fourth cruise of a 4-cruise trip, which took over 60 days. We are walking through the streets. They got beautiful architecture here in Lima. It's one of the things that really stood out to me. Really enjoyed that. Look at the woodwork on those. So we are enjoying walking through the town, getting a tour. Today we are doing a city tour and seeing the highlights of Lima. So today we're in Lima, in downtown. It's beautiful, but they've had 3 political demonstrations. We didn't encounter any problems, but we stayed away from the demonstrations, but they definitely had the soldiers out. We were told that the demonstrations were from people from other countries, especially Venezuela, that were what they called illegal immigrants, wanting the right to be able to work in their country. And also there was a soccer match, a football match, that was coming up between 2 countries being held in Peru. And that was really a security concern for them. They had to worry about the 2 crowds meeting. Now we're in line to get into the Cathedral Basilica of St. John. Lidia and I were in the cathedral and kind of lost our group, went outside, figured they were already outside, and then we probably spent 45 minutes to an hour trying to find them, but we eventually found them back in the church. They had never left. So now we're back on the road, seeing all the other sights. A lot of people were lined up to go into this convent, but they didn't let us film inside. Now we're on our way to our next location, and we always like to remember what we see in these different countries, what buildings look like, what people are driving, what kind of stores are there. It's really interesting. Today we're in Lima, Peru, obviously, and we've been down in the city center, and it's beautiful. And now we're in Miraflores, another area town here on the coast.
Very beautiful place. They have tour places, but it's like everything unfinished buildings, and they have beautiful, gorgeous places, and it's more upscale. So everything. You want to go here? Okay.
Well, now it's time to get back on our tour bus, start heading back to the ship, but in the meantime, we like to see what's here, and here's like a mausoleum that they have. A little different than how we do things, at least in the area that we live. We found that it was really pretty clean here, especially in Lima. And when you get out into the outskirts, it changes a little bit. But we really like Peru. Here are some clips of other things that we saw on our travels today.